A handy model to help remember what goes where on the axes on a graph. Graphs. Some people think graphs are horrible and difficult to understand, but graphs are actually really easy to understand. We all know that graphs present variables, and variables are things, or factors, that we have to think about in an experiment. Graphs are used to present two variables. The first is the independent variable, the factor that we change. The second is the dependent variable, the factor that we measure. But how can we remember what variable goes where on a graph? It's easy. Use this handy model. Take your hand, your left hand. Look at it. The thumb, sticking out on its own, independently, represents the independent variable. So on our graph, the horizontal axis, pointing to the right, is the independent variable. The finger, pointing upwards, is one of four fingers next to each other. They are all dependent upon each other. So on our graph, the vertical axis, pointing upwards, is the dependent variable. Our left hand, which we can use to model graphs, with the sole thumb pointing out across the bottom as our independent variable, and the finger pointing upwards as the dependent variable. Our left-handy model to help remember what goes where on our graph axes. Aren't graphs so much easier to understand now? Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!